Dreamstime.com audio.
Congratulations on your rank. Please tell us your name, where are you from, and which college?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. My name is Sanjeev and I am from New Delhi. Currently, I am in my final year of BTech at LPU Punjab.
When did you start your preparation?
I really started my preparation in the first week of month of May, and it was time when I interacted with one of my senior who graduated last year. He told me about GITS, so later I joined IGC.
How did IGC coaching and guidance help you in your success?
Yeah, IGC helped me in many ways. Like the teachers and faculties are really excellent.
What are your key tips and tricks to your fellow aspirants?
It is simple. Like first, we have to focus on maths and aptitude first because they are easy to score, and then they have very high weightage. Second is to be stick with the syllabus only, and do revise each subject multiple times throughout the year because revision will be very helpful. I also keep as many as mock you can attempt.
What is your future plan?
Like I am going to do my masters in aerodynamics, and later I have to do PhD as well in the same.
Okay. Thank you, Sanjeev.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.